Hi everyone, this is Tejasvi, your child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So today's topic is why your baby is not willing to sit on the high chair. Is it really difficult or are we missing something? Let's get into the video. Getting your baby to the high chair, it's not a simple task. But with a few techniques, this meal time can be more enjoyable on the high chair and it will be easy for both of you and your baby. And the first thing is start early. First thing first, that you have to understand that a baby, those who started eating food or started solids on the high chair, it will be easy for them. So if you are starting in the later stages, somewhere around 9 months or 12 months, it will not be easy for you. Second thing is creative positive environment. For example, your baby was sitting on the high chair, but you're trying to force feed your baby. That creates a negative impression towards the food for your baby, and then they thinks that high chair is kind of a jail and they have to sit here and they have to have the food. If they're not willing to have the food, and they can't go anywhere. So this is a negative impression. So always don't make your baby to force feed or make your baby eat when they are on the high chair. Let them have their food. The food control should be with them. And you can always load the spoon and then give it to your baby, or else put the plate in front of the high chair, on the high chair, and then you can tell your baby, explain your baby how to eat, and then you can also show it to them. But when you're force feeding your baby, that's not gonna work. Make it comfortable. Comfort is key. When your baby is on the high chair, if it is really not comfortable, then nothing is gonna work out. So back support is important and footrest is important. Mostly, for most of the high chairs, the footrest option will not be provided. Please get the high chairs which are having this footrest so that baby will sit comfortably and then put their feet on that, and then it will be easy for them to lean front and then have the food. Engagement is the key. Engagement means not providing any toys or not providing or distracting them. It's like you can sit with them and then you can talk about the food. You can talk with them, maybe some other interesting topics like what both of you can like. So making your baby sit on a high chair on a larger space like a living room or else in the balcony, and then distracting them by showing the different things, this is not going to work out again. Lead by example. For example, if you are sitting and having your food in front of the TV, or else if you are sitting somewhere and then talking on the phone, then this is not gonna work out for your baby as well, because your baby sees what you're doing. So always be an example, and then maybe your family members or you can sit on a dining table and then have the food. Then baby can learn, okay, then eating is a habit that we should develop, that they have to sit and eat on a proper chair or on a table. And moreover, meal time should not be so serious. So the only agenda is making your baby to eat the food in front of the high chair. No, you can talk with them. You can have fun. So the high chair should not be only for the eating. That is what I wanted to tell you. For example, sometimes when you're not around, when you're on your work or in the kitchen, then you can put your baby on the high chair and place some toys on the table so that your baby also can have some fun time on the high chair. So it should not look like, okay, high chair is only for the food, and then this is gonna be a strict thing for me that I should have my food. Otherwise, this is kind of a serious thing. Consistency is the routine. As I said, like if you wanted to use the high chair for the toys or for the play purpose, then you can place this in a different place. During the meal time, keep this high chair in a particular place so that baby gets to know that what they are doing. Are they about to play or are they about to eat? So they'll prepare their mind. So in front of the high chair, when they sit on the high chair, when you place any food on it, then baby get to know that, okay, they have to pick this up and then they have to explore the food. So there you have it. I told you some simple techniques. Hope this helps you. But also remember that this is not an easy task and this is not going to work out very easily. This takes way long time. Be patient and all the best. See you in the next video.